Welcome to Bike Zone, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights from the world of two-wheelers. Today, we're diving into one of the most premium scooters in its class, the Suzuki Burgman Street 125. Design and styling. The Burgman Street 125 stands out with its maxi-scooter-inspired design. Its bold front fascia, wide body panels, and elegant curves give it a premium road presence. The LED headlamp setup and sharp tail section add a modern touch, making it look bigger and classier than a typical 125 cubic centimeter scooter. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined 124 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, the Burgman Street delivers smooth acceleration and reliable city performance. Suzuki's eco-performance technology enhances fuel efficiency without compromising on power, making it suitable for daily commutes and longer rides alike. Comfort and features. The scooter offers an extremely comfortable riding posture with its wide seat and spacious footboard. Key features include a digital instrument cluster, USB charging port, LED lighting, and optional Bluetooth connectivity. The underseat storage is generous, making it ideal for carrying essentials. Braking and handling. With a front disc brake and combined braking system, the Burgman Street offers confident stopping power. Its lightweight chassis and comfortable suspension setup ensure a smooth and stable ride across city roads. Mileage and practicality. The Burgman Street 125 is known for delivering impressive fuel economy, making it a cost-effective choice for everyday riders. Its storage options, comfort, and premium feel make it one of the most practical scooters in the segment. Conclusion. The Suzuki Burgman Street 125 blends style, comfort, and performance perfectly. It remains a top pick for riders who want a premium scooter experience without stepping into the higher-priced maxi scooter segment.